The fan obviously stayed quiet the entire time that it was running in Windows, so of course there was no load on it, but even so, let's see what this looks like when it boots. It should just show a regular Windows 7 loading screen, and I'll come back when it's up. Yep, there we go. Okay, I've rebooted. Still not activated. What if we just try it just for shits? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, well, I'm not concerned about that because, like I said, I have the other one, so... Or I could just try during the installer the other thing, which maybe I'll just play with not running the video. We will rate this computer. Or is it rape this computer? I wonder if it'll actually kick up the fan speed, but it's certainly not doing it right now. Anyway, I'll let that run and we'll see what we get when we come back. Oh, the wireless card even has a green clean light. Apparently that came with the machine because it not only was picked up by it, but it also had drivers on their website. Not that I needed them. Well, we came in at a paltry 3.5 over here. But the processor and RAM and graphics, well, that came up a lot nicer. So let me get a screenshot of this, and I'll get a screenshot of the other machine, and then we will take a look at them. Okay, here is the Acer machine, the current video rig, and that comes in on the processor under 3.9, memory 5.6, graphics 4.2, gaming graphics 5.7, and the hard disk at 5.9, giving you a base score of 3.9. It's determined by the lowest subscore. I'm not concerned about the base score that's listed there. I'm looking more at the processor and the memory. Graphics, somewhat, maybe not so much. I really don't know, but if I do find a video card for it, I am sure that it will do a lot better all around. So let's go take a look at the Asus now. And here is the Asus machine, and you'll see immediately that processor is at 6.1 and the memory is at 6.1. The thing where it flubbed was the gaming graphics of 3.5, which gave it the lowest subscore of just 3.5, which was lower than the Acer machine. I really don't think that that is going to make that much of a difference in terms of video editing and that. I know it does use the graphics processor, and if it is using the CPU instead, you know, that's going to slow everything down. But being that the processor itself is considerably faster, I think all around it is going to be a better machine. And once again, if I do find a video card in my pile of junk that I can put in, that may bump the score up and of course help the performance of the machine even further. So it looks like this is going to be the clear winner for the video editing rig. I'll take a look around and see if I might have a video card somewhere. If I do, obviously I can pop that in there and Bob's your uncle, but if not, then if not. And it'll just deal with onboard graphics. Anyway, that's going to be it for this part. The next step will be to get a real drive instead of just that one and put it in SSD. Send me an SSD and I will gladly put it in. 3.5 inch, please, if you please. Or send the brackets with it. And if you don't, I'll just turn it upside down and double stick tape it there or something. It's good enough. So anyway, that's going to do it for this part, and it looks like this is going to be the clear winner. So like I said, the next step is to get a real drive, stick it in there, and install the OS for real. Till then, thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like and the subscribe button, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.